Today we are installing our new SGA20 high-tuck exhaust system on a 60 HFL. After removal of the existing system and hangers, begin by installing the new one supplied in the kit. These are OEM quality replacements and will bolt into the factory locations. All pipe systems install from back to front, so begin by loosely hanging the tailpipes using the supplied clamps in the hangers you just installed. Follow that up by the mufflers and then the xpipe components. It's important to note that the arrow on the reinforcing plate on the X faces towards the front of the car. A great point of reference for the front is the humps in the transmission crossmember. Now that all the components are installed, you can make the connection to either headers or factory style manifolds. Because of the wide variation of headers, Pypes does not guarantee a direct hookup to headers. Some fabrication may be needed. However, we do offer aids that can make this task easier, like our extended collector reducers. Our car is equipped with factory cast iron manifolds, so we will be using a set of our manifold downpipes to make the final connection. These are available for most Ford, GM, and Mopar applications. Once all parts are installed, including the tips, you can make your final adjustments and tighten all clamps. Air Tools is highly recommended for this step. Please make sure to check for leaks and retighten needed clamps for the first 100 miles.